If you're looking for the best Ethernet cable for PS4, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Ethernet Connect for PS4 and why you should go for it. OUT1 is also one of the best Ethernet cables for all purposes. Also, you'll find detailed reviews of the best options that you can find on the market. These cables will enable to use the full potential of your internet provider while gaming on PS4. In case you are using multiple devices, get one of the best Ethernet splitters to date. In this video we gonna checking out top 5 best Ethernet cable for PS4 of 2021. We arranged these Ethernet cables on many hours of research and testing, and we pick the 5 models. All cables are available on Amazon, and if you like and see their price, then you'll check link in the description box down below. So let's get started with the video. On first place we have UGREEN Cat 7. UGREEN Ethernet cable Cat 7 supports bandwidth up to 600 MHz and transmits data at speed up to 10 Gbps. No matter when you are surfing the internet, streaming videos, listening to music or online gaming, there is no hassle of slow network. This high-speed Ethernet cable connects all the hardware destinations on a faster gigabit local area network. It is compatible for PC, laptop, computer server, printer, router, modem, networking switch box, network media player, PS5, PS4, PS3, and Xbox Smart TV and more with RJ45 connector. It is also backward compatible with Cat 5, Cat 5e and Cat 6 standard. The thin flat cord makes this LAN cable super flexible and much easier to manage when crossing under the carpet, door, drawer or along the wall. It effectively helps avoid tangling and saving space. 24K gold-plated and over-molded strain relief connectors make this RJ45 network cord more durable for a longer lifespan. This Ethernet cable is best for long-term. On second place we have Jadaol Cat 7 Flat. Every second, even millisecond, counts in the gaming world, and a quality Ethernet cable help you stay one step ahead of the competition. Jadaol Cat 7 cables achieve higher performance than Cat 6a, Cat 6 or traditional Cat 5e. Cat 5, support bandwidth up to 600 MHz and speed up to 10 Gbps, boost your online gaming experience. Using 1 gigabit per second for distance up to 100 meters equipment, so you can build a super fast and reliable high-performance local area network. This Cat 7 Ethernet cable could be compatible with Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6 and Cat 6a Ethernet cables, also have high-quality shielded RJ45 connectors. This Ethernet cable is perfect for networking switch, routers, ADSL, adapters, hubs, modems, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panels and other high-performance networking applications. On third place we have MATEIN Cat 7 Flat. MATEIN Cat 7 network cable transmit data at speeds up to 10,000 Mbps, high bandwidth of up to 600 MHz, supports high-speed data transfer for online gaming and online high-definition video streaming, server applications, cloud computing, video surveillance. This Cat 7 network cable is compatible with Cat 6, Cat 5, Cat 5e Ethernet cables. Provide universal connectivity for Xbox One, Xbox 360, switches, routers, modems, PS3, PS4, PS5, computer, laptop, printers, network printers, PlayStation 5, network attached storage device, ADSL, NAS, VoIP phones and more. This Ethernet cable can't even feel or see the cable run under a rug or carpet. Easier to line up against the wall. Flexible, thin, unnoticeable but hardy. Save space if you don't need the entire length. Also bundled with 20 cable clips for free. UTP Ethernet cable. High-quality RJ45 connectors provide a secure connection, minimal noise and less interference. On fourth place we have Zosion Cat 8 Flat. Zosian Powerful Flat Ethernet Cable Cat 8 support bandwidth up to 2000 MHz and 40 Gbps data transmitting speed, so you can connect to your LAN or WAN segments and networking gear at maximum speeds and surf the net, stream videos, music and other data at high speed without worrying about cables causing a mess. Comparing with 32 AWG cable, 26 AWG cable is thicker, faster and more stable, compared to the Cat 7, Cat 6, Cat 6A, or Cat 5 cable. This Cat 8 cable additional shielding and improved quality and twisting of the wires provides better protection from crosstalk, noise and interference that can degrade the signal quality. The network speed is more stable. This Ethernet cable is perfect for switch, router, modem, PS3, PS4, Xbox, Blink, laptop, smart TV and device with RJ45 connector. Flat cable can be easy to run under carpet or bent through corners or into desk to avoid tangled cords and save space. On 5th place we have DEEGO Cat 5 Flat. High performance Cat 6 Ethernet cable, 50 feet, provides universal connectivity for LAN network components, supports all devices with RJ45 jacks, for PCs, computer cable servers, switch boxes, ADSL, printers, routers, network media players, hubs, television set with network interface, modems, laptop, TV, USB LAN cable adapter, PS4, also for Xbox One, gaming, NAS, Keystone jack, networking equipment, inline coupler and many more. This cable have 4 unshielded twisted pair patch LAN cable RJ45 connectors are made of copper wires, provides performance of up to 250 MHz, protects 50 feet Ethernet cable from crosstalk, noise and interference. This Cat 6 internet wire with ultra-thin technology avoids tangled cords and saves space. With 20 free cable clips. This 50 feet flat Cat 6 Ethernet cable is covered with soft PVC material outside, ensures environmental protection and durability. This is all for now. You can check links in the description box down below. All PS4 Ethernet cables are available on Amazon. You can checking the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching, hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.